Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. This Avalanche has just under 167,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, MP3, sunroof and driver airbag. Call 630-620-1900 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.